Alright guys, welcome. I want to walk you through how to use MT4, how to download and install it. Now this is the app MT4 and MT5. This is the app we're going to be looking for. MT5. There's MT4, but majorly we're going to be focusing on this because this one is an upgraded version of this one, which is the MT4, but we're going to be using the MT5 majorly. Alright, so let me walk you through how to do it. You go to your Play Store. Once you go to your Play Store, look for Meta Trader 5. All right, type this Meta Trader 5. All right, that's how you do. It will take you here. All right. If you're here, you will see something like install down here. All right. It's not here because I have already installed it. All right. So the next thing you need to do is after you install it, you click on open. You click on open. Then it will bring you here, something like, you now show you this accept. You click on the accept. All right, then open a demo account. You click on open a demo account here. It's opening an automatic demo account for you. All right, so you'll be patient and wait for it to load. All right, so once it's done, you will see something like this. Right, you start seeing something like this here. These are your current PS currencies you'll be trading. Right, these are all your currency pairs. It has opened an automatic demo for you. If your own is slow, it might be because of network. So these are your currency pairs. All right, these are all your currency pairs: USD, JPY, etc., etc., all of them. You can see this is Euro USD. It takes the three letters of the particular. To know how to pronounce a currency pair, you will know that you know the currency, the country's name, the first three words of the currency, the country is what you see here. That the EUR you are seeing here means euro. USD you are saying United States, US dollar. EU means European euro. Are you getting it? Great British pounds here. Here you now see Japanese yen. Are you getting it? So that is how Japanese yen, United States dollar. And this one is CHF, Swiss francs. Are you getting it? So this is how it majorly works. All right. So you can scroll down, you see a lot of them. Now, if you want to add another currency to this place, you click here, the plus sign. All right. This is if you want to add another currency that is not here. So once you click the plus sign, it will take you here. You will see forex, you will see metals, you will see indexes. All right. But also we'll be focusing only on forex. As you proceed, you can decide to trade metals where you see gold and a lot of them. But here you see silver. But we'll focus on forex only with this with currency pairs. All right. So you click on forex. Once you click on forex, you will see the list of currencies that are here that have not been added to that place, to that chart. You see the currency pairs. For example, you can see Australian dollar and Japanese yen. It has not been added. Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. European euro and Australian dollar. So you can see a couple of them here like that have not been added there. So if I want to just add it to the place, what I will do is simple. I will click it. It will now be added. So let me click. Let me click so that you see it. You see it has been added. So you now go back. Once you go back, you can now see that the USD JPY has been added. So what if you want to remove a currency, any of these things from here? All right, you don't want them to be here. You don't like it. You don't like trading it. How do you remove it? You go to this. You go to this sign here. All right, this pencil sign. This is where you remove currencies. All right, so you just go straight and you click it. Once you click it, now you're seeing them here now like this. These are the ones that are on the dashboard there. Are you getting it? And you want to change them. You want to remove any of them now. So you now, the next thing after that, you now click the plus sign. Sorry, the delete sign. You click the delete sign. Once you click the delete sign, all right, it tell you to select the ones you want. So let me select. Literally, I want to remove all these ones. All right, so I'll just leave a few for example. So I will now press. Once you have done clicking, then you now click delete. And you know you can still add them back if you once you come back. You see they have been deleted. If you want to still add them back, you can still add them back using this plus sign. All right. So now that they are lost, they have gone back to the other side. So you now limit the pairs you are trading or something. Are you getting it? I hope you're catching it. Then this then you can now see this. These are your quotes. Okay, let me explain something. You see, oh, you see here and here. These are the bid price and the ask price. The difference between these two is what we call spread. All right, and that spread is called your broker's commission. Now, it doesn't have impact, direct impact on your trading yet. All right, you can read up that for your own personal knowledge. I can't explain that here. All right, so the next thing I'm going to show you is you click these three dots. Once you click the three dots, okay, once you click the three dots, you will see manage account. When you want to add your own account, you see trade, you see news, you see mail, journal, settings, calendar, trading. Practically, the only thing that we use here majorly for now is maybe the settings. The settings and manage accounts. This manage accounts, this is where after you open an account with your broker, you can come and connect your account. I will show you that maybe in another video. But let me go show you another thing. Then we are done with these quotes, which is these ones, adding and deleting. All right, so you understand this place perfectly now, right? Okay, so let's move to the next step. The next step now is the charts. All right, the charts. You need to go to the charts. This down here, let me draw it. This down place is called the charts. I'm going to explain all this place so that you understand. All right, so you go to the chart. Once you click it, it will bring you something like this. Aha, welcome to forex trading. So you have something like this. Now if you place your two hands on the screen, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can zoom in, and you can zoom out. If I place my two hands on the screen and I draw it close, it will zoom out. If I do like this, if I if I draw it close, it will zoom in. If I draw it like that, just try to place your two fingers and see how it works. All right, then if you tap the screen, this round button will show up. And what you'll be seeing here is majorly 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, 1 week, and monthly. That's what these numbers are. That is the time frame of the candlesticks, the one you want to see. So if I want to change it to 1 hour, I'll just touch 1 hour. You see it has changed here. Look at my quotes, look at my time. Are you getting it? And automatically, what is telling me now is that each candle here represents 1 hour. I just hope you're getting it. You're getting it. All right. So each candle here represent 1 hour. That's what you're saying. This one is 1 hour. 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 Each one like this. So from here to here now we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from here to here is 10 hours. Do you understand? All right, that's how it practically works. Each candle represents 1 hour. And like I said in the candlestick video, I told you this is a bearish candle, this is a bullish candle. Now, this one means buyers are in charge, this one means sellers are in charge. And like I explained in that other video now, you now realize that how do I know the opening price of each of these candles? All right, let me try and explain that. All right, first, let me get a very good candle. Okay, for example, now let me do something with this. Here, this particular candle, that's what I'm trying to explain now. How do I know the opening price? Now, because the candle closed bullish, I know that the opening price was sorry, here. The opening price was here. All right. Then sellers tried to push it down, but they could not succeed, creating this shadow. Sorry, this shadow there. After they created the shadow, buyers now came in and pushed it down from here up to this place. Sorry, they push it up to this place. Are you getting it? Sellers now push it down again to this place. Then the price now closed here. Sorry, here in that 1 hour. Are you getting it? So here became the opening price. Here became the closing price. Here became the high. Here became the low. Here became the body. That's simple what candlestick is all about. All right. Uh, and it tells you that buyers were in charge. Okay, so let me explain another type of candlestick. Let me just say this one. This particular one is called doji. You see, it doesn't have serious body. So what happened? Market opened here. Sorry, opened here, close to that body there. Sorry, I cannot be getting the accurate place. After market opened there, market opened here. Sellers push it down. They could not hold it. Buyers came in, push it to this upside. Buyers too could not hold it. Sellers still came in again and push it to this down. Market closed here. That's all what happened. All right. So in this candle now, we can now say, okay, because there's no body like this one, nobody was actually in charge of the market. Everybody was dragging for a share, but they did not succeed. All right. So from this, okay, that is that for that one. For candlestick. So once you're in candlestick now, we now here, let me show you something. This one is called crossed hair. All right, it's crosshair. You use it to calculate the numbers of candles and maybe the number of pips. So let me use it so that you see. You see it on the screen now. So I can drag it from here, place one hand at the left, one hand at the right, then draw it like this. If I draw it like this, what is showing me, what the information it will give me is that from this point to this point, I have 9 candles. And that 9 candles there now give me 20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips or 200 pips, whatever the case may be. All right. So that's major use of a crosshair. All right. Then the next thing I'll explain for you again is here. This is the indicators angle, where indicators are. But we are not going to be using indicators for this chart. So, but if you want to add indicators, this is where you add your indicators. Look at a lot of indicators. Bollinger Bands, standard deviation, parabolic star, moving average, Ichimoku envelopes, average true range, bear power, commodity X, etc., etc. But they are not important for this our class. But these are just where you add indicators to your chart. All right. Then the next thing I'm going to be showing you is what, how to use stop orders and how to use market execution. These things shows you how to enter the market per time. All right. So let me start with this. Once you click it, you will see something like this. All right. You see something like this. They are called stop orders. What is telling you, once you place this market here, you are telling the market is, once price come to this, where this blue line is, this is where I want you to trigger me and enter. If, for example, I place this line here and market manage to come and touch it, it will trigger me. Then either shoot up or go against me, whatever the case may be. All right. So it's called buy limit. Then if you want to change the if it to sell, you can change it to sell too by clicking it. The color will change immediately. So okay, let me do it practically. You see, it has changed. Oh no, it has changed to stop. Okay, let me do it. You have to be calm with me with this. You see, it has changed to stop sell stop. So what he's saying is, once market come here, trigger a sell for me. All right. So the next thing you will see beside it, you will see this cycle here. It's because that SL means stop loss. Stop loss. I want you to go and read about market orders and executions. You understand better. If you are following your baby pips class, you get it. Stop loss. Then the other thing here is what? Take profit. All right. What you're telling the market, what you're telling your broker is this: stop my loss. All right. Stop my loss anytime the trade comes go against me. For example, you told your broker to put a sell here for you. Are you getting it? Then you now click on the stop loss. You now click on the stop loss. You see the stop loss. You now say, okay, put my stop loss here. Then maybe put my take profit. Sorry, set stop here. Then put your SL here. Then put your take profit here. For example, okay. So what is definitely saying is this: this is my SL. Once this market did not go my way here and it go against me, broker, close me here so that my loss will not be much. But once it goes towards my direction, take my profit here. I am okay with the profit here. That's what it's saying. So everything here can happen automatically once you are using stop orders. But we are not going to be using stop orders for our trading in this place. All right. Yes, we are not going to be using stop orders. We are going to be using majorly market executions because of our confirmations. So the next one is market execution. The market is not on, so I cannot do a lot of examples with that. But let me still try and show you something. Okay, once you click on market execution, you have something like this. All right. Now here is your lot size. Lot size is the amount of risks, the amount of money you are willing to risk per trade, and the amount of money you are willing to make per trade is determined by your lot size. All right. Lot size means yes, the size of the account, the size of the market, but the size of the investment you want to risk. All right. So once you reach 0.01, you make 10 cents per pip. Per pip. All right. So it goes like that, like that, like that, and you lose 10 cents per pip. So the more you increase it, the more you lose. So if you want to increase it, you can increase it. You can increase it here or reduce it here. Okay, let me do an example. So you see, it's increasing. It's increasing. If I want to reduce it, I reduce it here. All right. So for example, if I want to enter a trade, once it's market execution and our market give us our confirmation, I'll click a sell or I'll click a buy. Once you click a sell or a buy, the market will immediately swing into action and either buy or sell. All right. So that one, you don't need to wait for any executions, and you don't need for market to put you in. All right. It will not work now because as you see, you say the market is closed. The market is closed. If the market was on, it could have executed the trade immediately. That is that for this place. That is that for everything that is here. All right. So when I say place a trade, all right, once you get a confirmation, you just go straight to this place, click it. Sorry, click it, and once you click it, you can either click on buy, sell, or buy. Use 0.01. Please go and read about lot size so that you understand it, so that you won't lose money. All right. So that if you use higher lot size, you make good money, but you also lose good money. All right. And mostly in our strategy, our loss is always within 10 to 15 pips, 5 to 15 pips max. All right. So mostly 0.01, 0. Now, if first loss, oh my God, this video is getting long. But for loss, majorly, I love using for stop loss. If you are using below $50, use 0.01. If you are using from $100, you can increase it to 0.02. If you are using, you can increase it to 0.02. All right. Now, for each $50, you can add another point as your risk management procedures. right? So the next thing you will check, you need to take notice, your trades. So once you start trading, you will see, okay, here will show you your balance, your balance, your equity, your free margin. All right, your balance means the total balance, the money you have, right? Now this free demo account come with fake $10,000 to trade the demo market. All right, your equity means the trade you are entering. If you enter a trade, if it's in a loss or in a profit, it will be reading. I get it will be reading here. So the trade if the trade is in profit, the profit of the trade plus your balance will give you your equity. If the trade is in a loss, the loss of that trade minus your balance will give you your equity. All right. Then free margin means the amount of money remaining for you to be able to enter more trades. All right. The amount of money remaining for you to be able to enter more trades is your free margin. Uh, all that is explained in your theoretical class. So once you enter a trade, the next place you will need to check is your history. History means all the trades you'll be entering will be showing here. All the trade, time, price, everything will show here. And what you will see balance, you will see the commission your broker has removed because of the spread. You will see swap. If you are not using a swap free account, if you leave your trade to sleep over, they will charge you for that. It's called swap. And some account they won't charge you. So you see your swap here. Then the money you deposit, you see your deposit here, and your profit will be here. And all the trades you enter will be here. So everything transparent. Now, in case you want to change, in case you want to check history. Okay, let me clean this. All right, so in case you want to check the history of your trades, you can go here. If it's last week, if it's last month, if it's last 3 months, etc., etc. All right, so once your trade is running, once you enter a trade and it's running here, I'm coming back here now to explain. If you and you want to close your trade, you will just swap it here and close your trade. All right. The market is not on, so I can't show you that, but you can just go and check how to close a trade and all that. Then the last section for here is messages. We have You can see messages from your broker, etc., etc., from here. All right. So these are the major things about MT4 and MT5. All right. Finally, again, if you want to do settings, we have settings here. We have settings here too. Settings here. And if you click on the setting, this is where you can change colors. All right, colors. But for a start, you don't need to change anything since everything is okay. You see colors of the chart, colors of the everything. You can change them. You can edit them here. All right. But I think everything is okay like this. Everything is okay like this. No need to change anything. All right, no need to change anything. Okay, you can add these period separators. Mark it so that it will show. I love using it. Mark it so that it will show. All right. Then I think that is all. That is all. And then I think we have another setting here too. The same thing, but not necessarily very important. If you want to be hearing sound, if you click boom boom, sounds and all that, you can just type your way and just enjoy yourself. So that's how you use MT5. These are all the things you need to know about MT5 majorly. So you see red line and green line. This red and green line is representing this price, the bid and the ask price. All right. So and here is price levels, price levels, price levels up and down and all that. So that's how it works majorly. Then here is your date. You see your date and time. Your date and time. Your date and time, they are down here. All right, so this is all about God bless you. That's all about your MT5.